5 tools smart factories use to avoid shutdowns. 2 weeks. That's how long one sleeving machine sat idle on a production floor I worked on. Not because it was broken beyond repair, but because replacement parts were delayed. Just days before I finished that contract, another entire production line was also down. Same issue. No critical spares, no backup plan. But here's the thing. That factory was finally rolling out a CMMS system, and technicians were actively being trained to use it. They had seen the cost of reactive DIY maintenance firsthand, and they were changing. Today, I'll show you the 5 tools smart factories are using to prevent these costly breakdowns. Tool number 1, a modern CMMS. A cloud-based computerized maintenance management system keeps your asset history, tasks, parts, and logs in one place. No paper, no guesswork, just control. Tool number 2, IoT condition sensors. Sensors detect temperature, vibration, or current anomalies before your machine fails. This gives your team early warnings, not surprises. Tool number 3, predictive dashboards. Data is good, visualized data is better. Dashboards help you spot trends, monitor asset health, and make smarter decisions. Tool number 4, digital asset and AMP parts register. If you don't know what's in stock or what's critical, a digital register keeps you prepared and makes downtime preventable. Tool number 5, upskilled maintenance teams. Tools are only as good as the people using them. Smart factories train their teams to read dashboards, understand sensor alerts, and act proactively. I've seen this shift happen in real time, from chaos to control, and I've built a free guide to help you start doing the same. Subscribe to our channel to stay in the loop. Download your free Smart Maintenance Starter Pack, link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your worst breakdown story in the comments below. Let's grow smarter together.